Hi, welcome to the short tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to make a public profile on the Snapchat. So Snapchat recently launched a feature of public profile. You can join Snapchat as a creator so publicly. So how you can basically do it, let's start the video. So first of all, you have to open your Snapchat mobile application and go to the chats from here, and from here you have to click on your profile icon on the left top. Okay, once you will do it, now you have to click on the settings on the right top, tap on it, and now you have to scroll up, and from here you have to click on the contact me, send me a notification, view my story. You have to made all this to everyone from my friend like I did it here. So convert it to the everyone and see me in quick, and add also tick this. Once you will do it, now you have to go back and you will see my public profile option here. So simply you have to tap on it here. Once you will tap on it, you have to create profile from here. So in this way you can create a public profile on the Snapchat. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.